here at Healthy Living Social Market in Iidabashi. This is just beside our hotel, Hotel Via Inn. There. Just beside. Here in Iidabashi area here at Shinjuku. We love the place. The only thing is ganyan yung view niya. Pero it's still okay because it's very convenient and near to the metro station. So here are the places. There's Hotel Via Inn, Iidabashi Garden. There's that one. And let's go inside and Iidabashi. I just wanted to show you the affordable food that you can buy here if you're not going to eat at the restaurant. So there are some chocolates, a lot of chocolates, teas, and if you buy your food, you have your cafe, vendo cafe here, and there's a place for sitting down and microwave there. And I'll show you ano yung mga pagkain dito. What are the foods here? This is the bakery area. Look at this, so yummy. All freshly baked. Wow. Okay, those are the bakery area. That's cool. Papa, lahat siya bagong luto. Okay, salad area. Noodles and salad. Carbonara. The prices are just below 200 yen. These are the salad. Prices are 220, 200 to 300, and below 200 there is also. So these are Rukian Kubu noodles. I don't know what is this one. It's so yummy. Egg. There's also meat products. Tonkatsu. It's made of pork, chicken. There's bowls. There's like this. See, it's only 200. And a tip, if you buy it now, that's the normal price. So it's 399 plus VAT. So this we're gonna pay for 430 yen because of the 10% VAT. But if you purchase it at the closing time, these are the chickens. Okay, look at this fish. One whole fish without the head, 300. And this one, so yummy. Okay, so if you purchase all of this food during the closing time, there is 40% to 70% off. So like for this one, it is around 358. You can purchase it around 150 na lang or less during the closing time. Yung malapit na sa closing time, like 9 o'clock, 9:30, and a minute before the closing time, it's on sale. And it's happening in all supermarkets here in Japan. And this is like, what na to? Like okoy. So these are the frozen